disgusting.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Drip.
Oh.
I like the track. He has his eye back here.
And somebody has a halo in the middle. It's like
Oh
an
wow, I
angel.
just seen the angel in the back, yeah. Yeah, look at him in the back. Yeah.
Shot in the ball.
I was like, sometimes she has like an angel outfit, sometimes she has a devil outfit on. Ew.
That was the chainsaw coming out of his forehead.
Yeah.
Nah, this is gonna be a movie,
Dude.
bro.
Wow.
Yo.
That's some nice
Yo,
art.
somebody about to get pencil sketched, bro.
Yeah.
Somebody, probably a
Several
lot of
Why
people, bro.
Pencil sketched freaking chainsaw. I need a chainsaw man gang.
Yeah, you didn't even watch the show yet.
Literally.
Uh-oh. Yeah, this is different. Hey,
Wait, they change it every. Seriously? Was it different last time? Yeah.
yes it was. And we didn't get one of these last episode.
Yeah, the intro was the outro.
Oh, gotcha.
So apparently the outro is gonna be different every single episode. That's interesting.
Lies.
Look at me in my drip and in the trash. I like her character already. Power.
Yeah.
So it's like a blood art. She literally jumped and then the blood turned into. I wonder if she can
Turn it into other things.
other
She
things.
did.
Yeah. And I like how we have the distinction now between devils and fiends. So like I was saying, Buddy that was in the intro with the shark head is a fiend.
Okay. So Denji's technically a fiend, but
He's
not
a
really.
no, he's not a fiend. He's like
He's a devil.
He's neither
He's
devil
like
nor
half
human. He's
devil,
just
half human.
in between.
Nephilim.
Then they still gotta explain the eyes because we don't know what's going on with Makiba's eyes or Power's eyes and why they look like that. This is dope.
It's probably some type of like hunting thing. Like it gives them specs or something.
Nah, I think it has to do with powers.
That's what I mean. Like I think it helps them to read like combat.
Oh, I just gave it away. Those are our big three.
Nigga, damn, the smoke.
That was
Yo, you saw the detail on the
That's
blades?
like-
Oh
yeah.
wow, look at this one.
Oh shit.
experimentation.
Is that when they
Picked them up.
first picked him up
Yeah.
and had him like? Let me turn this fucking down, because
Rammstein.
oh, this is dope. Okay. They put a lot.
Yeah.
God damn, look at they put a lot of work into this. Whoa.
This shit is sick.
Oh, whoa.
Chaos.
Oh, that Metallica.
Yeah. The switch up.
Like, I feel like I'm on drugs. I'm naked.
Back to the chaos.
Yeah, you're stupid. Hey, 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 hey. I want a pochita.
Nope.
Why
Yeah.
not?
Nah.
No more animals?
Nope.
But
You're done,
I'm pretty
son.
sure it doesn't like poop like a
You're
normal
done, son.
dog.
You're cut off. You're cut off.
Yeah. Yo, that was dope. Or is it like
This man can't even handle this moment
Oh.
right now. Yeah?
Yeah, you're not gonna show me? Oh, new outro.
Why do you want to see that?
Why not?
We earned
It
it
was a
too.
deal.
You earned it.
We also earned it. We went through that with him.
This is dope.
Comic book.
Just the fact that they keep changing
Oh yeah,
it.
Bunny Girl Senpai. I'm a maid.
Maid
I'm a rock
Cafe.
star.
Nurse.
They put a lot of effort into this show, man. I'm smart.
Cheerleader.
Yeah, all these damn different versions.
Boxer.
What did I do? Oh man.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
That's cool how the
Yeah.
moved to the words.
Oh, those are her different blood weapons. That's cool. Is that a fucking cat?
Hey, she made devil horns with her fingers.
That's cool how they're doing the rotoscope. I love how Mappa uses rotoscoping too.
Because it's like there's no way their movements are that.
Yeah,
real.
no, it's rotoscoping for sure, for sure. But like, I just think it's kind of cool, like how it's like becoming like normalized, like
Yeah.
a lot more normalized. Because
Done.
rotoscoping
And
is
it
hard
just
as
seems
fuck to
like
do.
more smooth.
Yeah.
Just
Mappa said,
more natural.
Look at these potatoes. Look at this coffee. Look at this newspaper. Look at
Bro,
this toothpaste.
Toothpaste, like what, bro?
It looks better than your.
Oh my gosh, this girl needs to go home.
No, it ended
No
on
way.
that.
What?
That flew by.
Hang on. What the hell, bro?
Yeah, the show's too good.
I mean, I guess it makes sense from where we started, like with him getting back, to the fondling, then to get fighting lessons, getting the op, and then them getting to the op.
Yo, these outros are fucking awesome.
Yeah, they are.
They've really made one per episode. That's crazy to me.
I haven't got a word thing. They put their foot in his outro.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Oh shit.
Damn. Warhorse. Is that hands?
Ew.
It
Yeah.
looked like there was an
Those
eye
fingers.
on the bill or whatever it's called.
Okay, I like this track
This
too.
artist snapping, right?
Wow. That was dope.
Yeah, it was.
How the fuck did they
That was a-
storyboard that shit, man?
Yeah, we could have this.
Yeah.
Yo, that episode was dope. Eternity. Yeah.
Ah, what the fuck? Ugh.
Enter under the bed.
Yeah, it ended.
That's the end of the episode. I thought I was in the abyss, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, this Sonic music. This is literal Sonic level
Wow.
music, bro. I like how they're doing
This
the
is-
outro like
yeah.
Eternity. Like, this show was so good. That was so, bro. I could never work with Kobeni and Buddy ever again.
Yeah,
Y'all
no.
could never be with me
Yeah, we're done after this.
ever again. I'm like,
No more jobs.
bro, knock her ass out, dude.
They knocked her out.
And then she got like a knockout
Regained
again.
consciousness.
Oh, tie her up.
Picked the knife back up. Nice. Click in L3 and R3 to activate chainsaw.
Bullets looking real phallic.
Yep. I wasn't gonna be the one to say it though.
Phallic.
With all the veins.
Oh,
Very cylinder shaped.
I like this song a lot.
Yeah. It was dope.
Yo, fire episode, man. The Eternal. Hey.
man.
That's how I end the episode? Wait, what is this?
I don't
Wait,
know
what is
if
this?
I would really
1980s?
want to after what happened earlier.
All is forgiven.
I like this. Oh, look at it. Wait, look. It's like an old game.
Nice. Yeah, that's dope.
A whole ass JRPG. Dang.
Yeah, 8-bit.
Hey, you're
frickin-
my dog now. What you gonna do to the lollipop?
I'm gonna stick it in your butt.
Okay, he's ruined the whole
That was the
vibe. Killed the whole vibe.
What's it takes to get to the center?
Yeah. Damn, they even said we're not even gonna give y'all 1080p. We're not even gonna fake it. Y'all just gonna get. Okay, there we go. Up there.
Oh,
Ew, ew, ew. I feel like I'm dying.
Come on.
Yeah, it's over. We're in hell. Oh, gone.
Yeah.
What was
That was not the whole episode. That was 20 minutes.
Check.
Yeah. How?
Because the
This
first
show's
half
fucking
was spent a
serious.
while
Wait,
on the whole.
what's up with this outro here?
Her drunk.
Giving her send off.
Wow, the flags, man.
I didn't even freaking
I'm so
catch
mad
that.
we missed those flags.
Yeah.
I didn't even know they got Metallica to do an outro song for this.
So I was half wrong. He wasn't the gun devil, but
No,
he
you
was
were
somebody.
you were completely wrong.
But I felt like he was something other than a man with just a gun.
Yeah, but you said that was him. You thought it was the gun. Trust me, the gun devil gotta look like the Bat Devil or
I mean,
something.
the
It gotta
gun
be
devil
that
probably
big.
wouldn't have even needed to enter the store.
Yeah,
To
because
begin
remember,
with.
the gun devil is pure devil. He was a
Yeah.
hybrid like
Yeah.
Denji. So she said, "You put something nasty in my mouth, something neither human nor devil." So it's
Yeah, I
like
know he was
Denji.
like
yeah,
Denji.
the gun devil is gonna look like the
I
Bat
just
Devil
knew
or that
whatever
fox or
the F
something.
he wasn't human.
And that's just gonna be huge. The way they're firing off guns like that, they're trying to power it up or summon it or
Yeah,
something.
that's what that seems like. They're trying
Yeah.
Yeah, they're trying to reinstill fear because they said nobody should have those other than the cops.
Yeah,
or
because they're in
devil
Japan.
hunters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was crazy on the train, bro. You just seen the barrel of the.
And that's
It reminded me
gonna
of JoJo's when he opened up the paper and the gun just came through the paper.
Yeah.
And that's
That
gonna
was
make
freaking
like
dumb.
the news, so it's gonna like reinstill.
東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに
Yeah,
Okay.
something's weird.
Hang on, let's try this outro. Who is that? Oh, okay.
Oh, why are they doing this?
Damn.
That sucked.
This show is ridiculously crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, what's his name? Bob Doyle. All right.
Yeah.
That was literally some Death Note shit, though.
Mm-hmm.
Is that an intestine?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice call.
give me them guts. But listen, they trying to say that Makima's power is bullshit. Ma'am, you had a snake devour a whole person with just your fingernail. I think that's just as much trash.
It is, but hers is definitely worse. She was essentially sniping people from afar.
It is, but she also has to get her hands on people. I mean, if she was pure evil, she could pretty much use anybody, but she also has to get them to say the name. So if they refuse to say the name, I assume it doesn't work.
But I'm assuming she also has additional powers, additional devils.
Bro, she's in the wrong anime. He was like, yeah, Makima, you wanna come over here to Jujutsu Kaisen?
Yeah. That does feel like some Jujutsu
It
Kaisen
does.
shit.
Yeah.
It did.
Okay. Yo.
Too.
Oh, fuck. Outro?
Yeah. Are those real dogs, bro? Those.
Yeah, this is like rotoscope.
No,
Yeah.
that's real stuff.
This is real, yeah. This is like,
They just got a filter over it, and then they just drew him in.
wow.
Rah.
Yeah, that's real.
Thick ass noodles, bro. What the fuck?
Udon.
Udon noodles.
I can't do the udon. Ew.
That's cool. Man, they put a lot of time and effort into this show.
Yeah, it did.
You know, shout out to the dude that's sleeping at the studio right now. This is actually the studio.
That's what the
Help!
yeah.
Help us!
It's a cry for help. They're showing
This is the intro.
Send help.
No, no, bro. What if this shit is a cry for help?
That's
These
what
are-
these Mappa employees escaping.
These are our living conditions.
Oh, he is udon.
Oh
Actual
fuck!
secret footage of them trying to run away from work.
That's what I was saying. Yeah.
Please, we just want to leave.
He just passed out.
God damn it! That's how they end the fucking episode? Listen,
It doesn't end
I'm not
yet.
gonna lie, that shit threw me for a loop, her spitting out the... Her spitting
That's
out...
what I was saying. I'm
I
like,
wonder-
bro, like I was like, did she
Right.
just spit the whole demon out and she can use it?
Now the only thing I'm wondering is if that's like a one-time thing. Like since it ate and swallowed it and then now it spit it out, if it can only use it like one time, or if it can recall it and like keep using
Interesting.
it.
Damn Pokemon.
This fucking power-ass outro. They say this is a big witch tongue.
Mm.
Man. Yeah, they popped off on every outro.
Yeah, they did.
They look like they were just having fun making this. They're like, hey, if you got anything you working on, toss
Stop.
it on here. No, like, I mean, as far as like, if there was just like, it's probably
All
like a
the
lot of
intros
people's
we could
personal
have used,
visions.
but
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Like, these are all people's visions. It's like, look, everybody,
Come up with something.
yeah. I think that's cool
That's
because it
dope.
gives
We
everybody
got-
a chance to shine.
We got to see way more characters this episode. The Shark Fiend, the Violence Fiend, the
Yeah.
Spider Devil,
That was a
the
lot.
Angel Devil.
Oh, I could just touch you.
I think my favorite one. Oh shit. Oh, the time has come.
Yes, it has.
Let's see what they
Got
got
enough
first.
chunks to locate.
Now we can find the real nigga, bro. Who are you?
Oh, slice of life outro.
Plot twist. The Gun Devil is me.
Yeah.
Aw.
Slice of life. Hey man, we're just shopping for food, you know. I like slice of life within the. It's like your life just can't be non-stop this.
Yeah, bro. I can't believe they did Katana Devil like that. Just kicked him in the dick.
Yeah.
The ultimate punishment. What are you guys, psycho? Quote from man kicked in the dick. What are you gonna do, bro? Kick me in the dick? Bro! I think that was actually like a solid place to stop.
Yeah, it was.
It like builds anticipation. It's like, oh shit,
'Cause
you
we
about to
know
find the
it's
Gun
about to
Devil.
Turn up.
Yeah. I feel like there's more. Yes.